Welcome to this week's episode of House of Law. I'm attorney Nate Wright, and this week we'll be discussing arbitration. Stay tuned. What is arbitration? Arbitration is another form of alternative dispute resolution that the court can invoke to help conserve judicial resources. However, it is not always invoked by the court. In fact, many people find themselves in arbitration if they have a dispute based on a contract. Think about when you go in to buy a new car. You sign the contract, you probably don't even read most of the language, but I can almost guarantee in every single one of those contracts that you sign, there is some form of binding arbitration agreement. So what happens at arbitration? Well, it is much like a court proceeding. However, there is no jury, and there may be one or up to 3 or more judges who are called arbitrators. These arbitrators are not active judges, generally speaking. They are typically either lawyers who have practiced for several years or individuals who have stepped down from the judicial bench. These individuals are neutral parties who do not have any stake in the claim at hand. You will show up in front of them with your attorney, the other side will show up with their attorney, and this will proceed much like any other court hearing. Your attorney will present evidence, witnesses, and expert testimony. The other side will get an opportunity to present their evidence, their witnesses, and their expert testimony. There will also be a time for cross-examination. At the end, once both parties have rested their case, the arbitrator or arbitrators will take their time, review all of the evidence and testimony that has been presented, and render a determination. This determination will most likely be binding on your claim, and you will not get to go to court afterwards. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us on this week's episode of House of Law. We look forward to you joining us next time.